So look at this. Check the lower back. I'm gonna bring the hands right here.
What, keep my face like this?
Yes, sir. Just straight down. There you go. So it's gonna be for the lower back. Any pain if I do this?
Yeah, it's like right here.
Right there? Okay. What about this side?
Yeah, same.
Same thing. Okay. Anything in the hips here? And last one. Anything on this side?
Yeah, same spot.
Same spot. Okay. Jot that down. All right. I'm gonna start at the hips and I'm just gonna work our way up. Slide those hips down. Left, right. Right side is more restricted. Table's coming up and back down. It's not because it's broken. It's gonna come back up. We got 3 drops on the right hip, okay? There we go. So don't bend your knee. Raise this whole leg up in the air. Good. Back down. Left side. Back down. Was this side heavier?
Yeah, I think.
A little bit tougher. You can try it again. Back down. And left side. Back down. So this side didn't go as far. So cross this ankle over this one. Uncross. Raise it up again. There we go. Nice. Back down. Did you feel that difference?
Yeah.
Right hand. Lay on your side facing me. Alright. Bend this leg here. Keep this one straight. Scoop this bottom hip toward me. There we go. What's that? Like this. Hand on top of the hand. Side. Go. Bend this here, straight. Scoop that bottom hip toward me. There we go. Face down. Slide down a little bit. There we go. Inhale for me. Exhale. Raise that head up. Go. 12. 2-7. Inhale. Exhale. All the way up. Slide down a little bit more. All right. Look to your right for me. So shrug your shoulders and roll them back one time. Relax back down. Good. Head back in the middle. those shoulder blades, okay?
Alright.
So look to your right, arms by your side. Just with your right elbow, squeeze it here. So bring, keep that there.
Okay.
Squeeze this elbow to your side and relax. Relax that elbow. There you go. Left leg long. Okay, head back in the middle. Take this. Give it back, I promise. Alright, look to the right. Same thing, but squeeze this elbow and relax. Relax the elbow. Head back in the middle. Apologize for the allergies.
Yeah, got it too.
All right, let's get you flipped over. All on your back. And keep the knees bent, feet flat. Perfect. Let me help you. Swing those legs around.
This way?
This side.